All right, folks, first video of the year. This is more of a DIY. The reason why you're all looking at my Happy New Year, by the way. The reason we're looking at this button is because the open is broken. It's been broken for some time now, but with the Florida temps here being really hot, I really wasn't too keen on going topless. So now that the weather's become a little cooler and it's great, I decided to take care of this. So from what I understand, just gotta pop this out. Got the new switch. Let's check it out. So, ordered from Pelican Parts. Many Porsche owners have dealt with them, so I felt good. Yeah, I slammed my phone. So I ordered the part, and it comes in this big box. That's something else, another project. And all that for the switch. And here she is. One switch. Looks pretty basic. Open this up. And there she is. So as you can see, there's a replacement switch. It looks like it's a simple pin that pops out from the bottom and then just plugs in. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so if I remember correctly, this is where the switch is. Get my trusty tool. Let's see, maybe come back from up here. All right, so found the trick. You have to push this up a little bit. I wound up using a thinner, had to be really as thin as possible. And when it comes out, you push down. Oh, yeah. So you push down on this and voila, comes out. There's the cable. There it is removed. This little tab here pushes down. I know, I'm sorry, the finger's really gross. Push down on this tab and the whole unit comes out. So if you see where this indentation is, that's what goes around the this little pin. You just push it in. All right. So it's connected and disengage the lock. Gonna try it out before I snap it in. The moment of truth. And there she goes. Snap it in, see how easy that is to do. Done. Voila. Newest part on this car. All right, thanks for watching. I hope that helped. Hope it wasn't too messy. Hope my finger didn't freak everyone out. I'm a happy camper. We will have topless driving for the rest of the season. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.